A desert city built for sun, suddenly drowning in water. In just a few hours, Dubai and Abu Dhabi saw what should have taken an entire year. Purple skies, relentless thunder, roads turning into rivers. And the question now being asked globally, is this a rare storm or a warning? It began quietly, clouds gathering over the Persian Gulf. Nothing unusual until the sky changed color. Residents across Dubai and Abu Dhabi started recording something they say they had never seen before. Deep purple clouds rolling in, thunder that didn't stop, lightning tearing through the skyline again and again. Then the rain came. Not light rain, not even a storm, a sustained aggressive downpour, dumping what meteorologists estimate as nearly a year's worth of rainfall in just a few hours. Within minutes, roads were overwhelmed. Water surged across highways. Cars slowed, then stalled. Entire streets disappeared under floodwater. This is a city designed for extreme heat, not extreme rain. Drainage systems struggled to cope. Low-lying areas flooded rapidly. Traffic came to a standstill in multiple zones. Videos circulating online show vehicles partially submerged, water pushing against buildings, and in some cases, residents wading through streets that had turned into streams. Authorities quickly issued warnings. Stay indoors. Avoid travel. Do not attempt to drive through flooded roads. And yet, the most striking image came from above it all. The Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure in the world, standing directly in the path of intense lightning strikes. Designed with advanced lightning protection systems, the tower absorbed the strikes without damage. A reminder of engineering meeting nature, but also of nature's overwhelming scale. For many residents, the experience was surreal. One described it as something they would 1000% never expect to see in the UAE. And that reaction is important because this region is one of the driest in the world. Rainfall is rare. Flooding is even rarer. So what caused this? Meteorologists point to a powerful storm system over the Gulf, combined with atmospheric instability, warm air rising rapidly, moisture building, and then releasing all at once. But there's a deeper layer to this story. Extreme weather events like this are becoming more frequent globally. Sudden, intense rainfall, flash floods in unexpected regions, weather patterns behaving unpredictably. Dubai's storm may feel like an anomaly, but to climate scientists, it fits into a growing pattern. A pattern where cities, even the most advanced, are tested by forces they weren't built to handle. By early morning, the rain began to ease. Cleanup operations started. Water slowly receded from major roads. Authorities moved to restore normalcy, but the impact remains. Disrupted transport, flood-damaged vehicles, and a city forced briefly to adapt to a reality it rarely faces. Dubai will dry out, the roads will clear, life will return to normal. But what happened in those few hours will not be forgotten. Because in one night, a desert city witnessed something rare, and possibly something more significant. Not just a storm, but a signal.